Easy install. Would have been quicker if the one bolt hadn't been rusted. Thanks for helping me save a lot of money. Why is thickness a rating? Otherwise, it was easy to install and seems to be doing its job so far. Pretty straightforward. Took me a sec to figure out how to detach the old one, but that's because I'm a garden variety moron. No Toyota logo or box, but the material appears to still be tinned copper. Appears to be manufactured the same exact way, everything has the same dimensions, etc. etc. It's essentially the same part and quality as OEM. Both parts prob come off the same line. 2009 Tundra. This was a perfect fit, 5-minute install. Would order again from this company. Also shipped very fast. This did not come in Toyota packaging but appears identical in construction and quality. Fit my Toyota without any issue. As advertised OEM. Click link in description for more reviews.